Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to begin with entering the About phone, which is at the top of the list. So let's tap on it. Now let's keep tapping on this OS version until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about them. So now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down to the bottom to find additional settings. Here, let's scroll down again to enter the developer options which we've just activated, and then scroll down a little bit to find this automatic system updates. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to update your device manually, however, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to actually apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.